I tried Shrimpy Portfolio Manager app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. Managing crypto across multiple exchanges is stressful. Balancing portfolios, tracking performance, and staying consistent feels impossible, and that's what Shrimpy promises to fix. I tested it for 7 days and the results were surprising. Day 1, I linked my Binance and Coinbase accounts. Instantly, Shrimpy aggregated everything, balances, trades, and portfolio weights into one clean dashboard. By day 3, I experimented with automated rebalancing. Shrimpy adjusted my holdings automatically based on my target allocations, ensuring my risk stayed balanced no matter how volatile the market got. Midweek, I tested their strategy automation. I could set specific rules like buy when Bitcoin dips or sell when gains hit 10%. The app executed it flawlessly. By day 7, I was tracking performance across all my exchanges effortlessly, with professional level analytics usually reserved for fund managers. The shocking truth: most crypto investors fail because they don't manage portfolios systematically. Shrimpy does that automatically, emotion-free and precise. If you're serious about growing your crypto investments the smart way, Shrimpy might be the single most powerful tool you haven't tried yet.